plants makes it not to be affected by light. Totally understandable. So this is a good spot. Okay, lights. So, to focus. Have a bit of dark tint. change. There's no plan to change any designs, yeah. Just touching it up, uploading it back on Play Store. Nothing much. Just a bit of an upgrade. Okay. Just confirming if the mic is actually working. Let's just go check. Yep, I know you always. That's right. Okay, lie down. Maybe we're done the free. Okay. Next level. The 3 is so weird. Like, cousin used to do the 4 so much that the 3 is just like really, really weird. Pass me. I don't know if I can be able to design something else. Probably do something much more better. But at least I grouped things, which is good. But I didn't extend the passing was really dumb. Alright, there's this guy here. This place is huge. I think 2 lights will be here now. I think like 3 lights. I guess. Okay, so I have to expand these things. This scale. Okay. This place like supposed to do something about this thing. When I played it, I realized this is supposed to be like the final part, but I actually finished it. Yeah. And someone, I don't know, level design is supposed to be a restaurant, but yeah, I don't know. Doesn't look like a restaurant. Yeah, I was trying to get down. I don't want to get down. Hey, shadow is actually. Wait, they are not supposed to have any colliders. They are not supposed to have any colliders. Let me see. Table. Let me check tables, see tables too. So I don't want too much shadows. Yeah, tables also have. Therefore, hell nah. Getting rid of that. Getting rid of this too. Let me just hide it. I don't know. I always change my mind. Just hide it. And hide this. So if you hide it, it won't show. Yeah, no gliders. Yeah, see, just why. Little art sucks. Even now. It was like 2022 was when I made. Oh my. What? Ah, hell no. Let me check something. It's really basically blue. I think that the best was. I just need a better. Let me design the screen. I forgot. You go here and set the light mask off so it won't be affected by lights. Here you go. It's not affected by light anymore. Do that for the tables. And we are no longer affected by lights. Take it over here. One line would be good, but let's see. End up on here. And on that one, yeah. I will reduce the addition back to default. Give me a nice blend. Yeah, it's a bit dark, but let's leave it like that. Okay, that's it. Okay, as transform, just spawning a light spawn. Yeah, and my test, I should have something like this. And I need to basically call it. Absolute kind of. Yeah, I need to fix this bug. That bug has been there for 3 years. It's just 5, right? That's 3 years. Oops. People have the ability to dash hidden. People have the dash ability. I'm not about that. If I had a dash on mobile, I won't it be I'll be a big. Because you're using 2 joysticks, so you. I guess you don't have to stop shooting and actually dodge. Let me get into some of these things. Because one of these is just dock themselves. OG with the tree, nothing like that. You have to play it yourself. Whoa, I didn't notice. Oh. Oh. Wow, that plugin is actually good. Okay. Interesting. Alright, so level, I think it's level 10, that's the last level. That's a boss level, so okay, it's off, do not box. Alright, I don't know why I can't. Why is it locked? Why is it locked at this? Oh, what? Oh, okay, fine. You know why since I worked on Tutti, so I don't know a lot of things anymore. Alright, so I've lights. Okay. I'll take this boss. I think those things spawn projectiles like missile launcher and stuff. more lights for the entrance. And that's it for lights. I think it's okay. Yes. Okay. Holy smokes. So if you get close to him, oh hell no. What? That's gone bad. Ah, come on. That is how you broke the game. Yeah, I need to get rid of this thing. Wow. That's a lot of stops. I've been discovered the main menu, level menu. What's the main menu? But okay, so this is for store. This is what store. Is this it? But this is level socials. Like seriously, man. Like what the hell? It's not been too long when I understood what a. Wait. Was this a link? Okay, touchscreen button. Okay, touchscreen button. This was a link button. Shift type to control it and anchor it to the bottom of the screen. And all of them do that. Take that, transform X to 0, W, snapping up and raise it up. So any screen resolution is basically remain the same. That's basically how I do that. Okay, yeah. Extends control mode. So just watch. You can see they maintain the same aspect ratio no matter what you do. It's okay, I anchor them. This UI, well, like, okay, let me just show you guys something. The it's not really the game ratio itself, like it's 250 by 120. Like I use this in my first PC, and my first PC couldn't even run Godot without that Mesa 3D5. If you check one of my videos, I made a tutorial on how to run Godot on software that needs all those OpenGL or whatever. I don't have any OpenGL driver, so I'm basically forcing it to be 720p pixels. So if I clear all of this is the actual game ratio. So just look. This is how small it is, like this small. This was how I used to make games back then, because if I made them any bigger, I won't be able to play the game on my PC. So I have to make them this small. So it's not easy by nature. But now I can set it even in ultra easy and play, but I just like 720 pieces. So moving on. Let me see how there's this. What? What I'll delete this. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave this one. Okay. 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 I'll remove that Facebook. Yo, Facebook. By the way, you can even use an HBox container for this guy is like an HBox container. HBox container and slap all of them in and shoot them. No matter how that will work. It's not going to do anything, I'm not sure. It's supposed to do anything, it will have, cramped all of them in. But it's not doing anything. And because they are no 2D, so it's not working. So get rid of that. So for now, I'll just bring all of this closer and leave it like that. Also, they need to be smaller, so they are like too big. But I'll do that in the beginning. Okay? Okay, so oh, now the big box. I as a child of this, now he's actually working on it because it's what do you know, a control mode now. So bottom left, set it here. Now I'm going to reduce the scale of this. Make it much more smaller. So we have to press. I don't even know what to do here. Like this whole UI needs a lot of improvements. The buttons. Wait. What? Already had it. Oh, so when you have to come, you can buy ammo. Oh. Oh, let me test this. Let me test this. I've totally forgotten how the game works. Yo, what the hell is this? No. This looks so bad. This looks so bad. What the hell? Well, whatever. I want to check. So these settings. There is no store button. So how would you be able to buy ammo when you're out of ammo? Let me go back to those first levels. Yeah. Oh my god, this looks bad. Really bad. Let's do this. Nice experience. So bad. Okay, I think I know what to do. Just to delete some lights. Like, I think I can delete this guy. Then, yeah, delete this because I was using way too many lights for just this one, since I'll delete this one too. Delete this one light alone is enough for here. This guy is here. I'll delete this guy. Delete this guy. Delete this guy. Let me leave it. Yeah, this is okay. I like this fade. Great space like this. Otherwise, I don't like it. Alright, let me check the other levels. Level 2. Ooh, this place looks not good. What the hell is going like that? Oh, there's another bulb here. There's not only one bulb like lined up the entire scene. Yeah, I'll put this here. Let it cast its shadow here. And set it two lights for this room is way too much. That's what we do. And we set this. All my life I've been cursed. It's time to yes. Alright, so going to show level 3. What do they call me, Gabby? Huh? Wonder if I can stream both on YouTube and TikTok at the same time. That would be crazy in this network. I done later. Yeah, I think it's okay now. Yeah, this is the boss level for you. Alright. The game basically has only 10 levels, so yeah. Let me test it on my phone. Very good. But wait, if I had a dashing ability, how would you dash on me by like? What games I've played the best? Let me see. Let's quickly implement using touchscreen and touchscreen. Counting down by swiping complete tapping. But it's not a dedicated dashboard. Yeah. Let me start working on this. Let me just work on this first, then I'll figure out how to make this work on mobile. Because this is my touch control. And touch screen buttons. Basically my touch control so far. This is to switch ammo and this is to shoot and move. This is to switch bullets. I probably definitely will change all this UI. So yeah. This is to shoot, this is to move around. So a dash button will walk around here. I put a dash button here or here, it will work. But for now, let me just figure out the dashing first. So If you're using a controller playing a shooting, top-down shooting game, what button will be for dash or roll? Let me see. I'm not holding my controller right now. So this is for R1 is for shoots. R2 is to switch bullets, I think. Okay, I think I'm going to have to change something. Shoot is going to be, this is going to be dash. Nice. R2 or left trigger, left shoulder. Left shoulder is going to be dash. Let's see, swap weapons. Yes, I'm going to maybe say trigger. It's a right trigger button. That will be arrow to right trigger. Okay, so spaghetti code. Spaghetti code. My old way of coding before. I've changed. I don't code like this anymore. Like, this looks so disgusting. It looks so like, ew. I don't know in my eye right now, but I don't know to work on this thing. I just quickly touch stuff. I don't know what this touch ability does. I also need a way to let the game automatically know when you're using controller or you're using a mouse. If you touch your mouse, you should immediately switch to mouse. If you touch your controller, you should switch to controller and stuff. So for now, let me just add a dash. Let me close this, weapon swap, hit, bet, revive, screen shake. Oh, screen shake is here. Screen shake will start. That means I can control the amplitude because the amplitude is kind of like too much. When does it screen shake? It screen shakes whenever that's when I maybe plug in stuff. But so I want to control the screen shakes. As where is the screen shake? Player the screen shake. I want to set the amplitude to be something good. So in the screen shake, yeah. Amplitude is a float. Set that to like 1.0 because it was too much. Like even when I was playing the game, it was too much for me. So screen shake does start, and when the screen shake starts, oh, okay. So there's an amplitude already. Duration 0.2, frequency, and amplitude. I will take amplitude and put it forward since it's basically the only thing I care about. The duration, I'll set up the number, so I won't do it too fast. So this is the amplitude. By the way, let me check something. Amplitude is still okay. Well, while I say amplitude to 1.0, we should reduce it. Okay, so when the enemies blow up, there's an explosion scene. I can just use that instead. So When for credit, I say Ruba does player does. This is why I always do this. Stop asking if I don't know the benefit. Dude, kinematic body. Player does. Come on now. Come on, why is not loading anything? Okay, I haven't done this yet. Okay, player does screen shake. Yeah, sure. So I'm going to increase the amplitude to like 2 here. This. And I'm supposed to be locking this. So, yeah. The screen shake is not down much anymore. The light still feels too much like around this area. It's like specularity is just bumping into my eye. Okay, so eventually that is me. We'll put that as 3 and see if it will actually work more. Okay, so what was the original thing I wanted to do? I wanted to do a cash ability before I got started by screen shake. Okay, so in order to dash, just need to increase the player speed in a short burst. So this is a smooth speed of X, but then you need to export it. Just say constants, dash speed. Player move speed is one of them. Is it one of them? Speed is 80, so if I make the die speed like 200, it should theoretically improve it a bit. And there is 300 in safe. Okay, yes. Where will I put it? Then the beauty function. Supposed to set a timer. Dash time. Dash time. Floats equals, let me just say, 2 seconds. I'm gonna give it 1 second short burst for now. I'll adjust it based on whatever values and how I feel this good enough. So setting the player speed to the dash speed, this will need to have delta for what I want to do. Okay, I guess this will go now. So first we're going to say dash time minus or equals delta. And if dash time is lower or equal to 0, most people go back to dash speed. Okay, so I just realized something. I'll create something that will like put the speed value first. The current speed. Current speed. So for radio, current speed equals speed. So yeah, when it's done, make sure you go back to the current speed when it's done. Yeah, I'm thinking of a way to just make this better. So it's better I'm going to do that, else you do this. So this will be the dash time stuff. Wait, by the way, I put all of this in just first. Sorry, it's supposed to be separate. So when you press play, just will switch to listen and you set shit. There's a lot I need to do. I need to set dash time to the normal dash time. So I need two variables. We have a dash time and we should have a yeah, I can just use awaits, get rid of create timer and get this over with. But that thing always brings us some errors. Or use a timer instead. And then you now have to be working on sometimes functionality is much more better than trying to write data code or much more complex stuff. So I also had a timer for simplicity sake so that in case another fusion eventually opens it again, you will not get confused. So dash timer set to 1 second, one shot. When it times out, sets move speed, back to current speed, right? And what else? Yeah, that's basically it. Then yeah, pretty much just press the same, set it to that, and do get node dash timer dot start. That's all. And you have, hopefully it should work. Let me see. So de nuevo. Let's see. Gosh. Okay. Oh yeah. Gosh. I made this mistake. Family is. Not put it here. Dash. Delta. Okay. Uh-huh. That was it. Yes. That is it. So, yeah. You can see I hit keyboard. So I'm moving. Let me use my controller. So, just say this thing. So, as I'm moving, you can see it. Ooh, 1 second is like way too fast. So let me reduce the timer to 0.5 seconds. And I'll also have substitute like stamina. So still too fast, too slow. 0.2 seconds. Yeah, I think this is a good. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. So, trying to add some VFX. There are two things involved. A, add boost effects. B, just add bubbles. Whatever, I'll start with normal the same particle system. So I'm just going to add the CPU particle system. I'm using CPU particle system because it's been a while since I've done VFX stuff with 2D. I'm using CPU particle system because some phones can this is most focused on mobile. So I want it to work on almost every mobile phone. Some phones can't render CPU particles well, old phones. So ton of gravity, yeah, flags, no flags. Local codes off because yeah, we want to do that. But it needs something spread. Don't spread. Initial velocity SE1. This is how I originally thought it would be like. Time is too much, so 0.1 second. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Let's go for scale. I want to use a scale no random scales. Start big and small. Then what's the initial scale should be like, let me see, 5. So yeah. I think I still need to add more time. Like 0.5. So yeah. Let me add more particles. Let me see like yeah. Making sense. Let me see what's our randomness. Let me see. Let me just add the explosiveness and see. I'm not supposed to use it. Yep, it's no need. I just wanted to see what I can get. Alright, so drawing texture. Oh yeah, this is where you said texture. Okay, so quick load. I have the circle, or I can add it has a heat effects stuff. Let me see, border. Border has a heat effects, heat sprites. Yeah, this sprite. I think this is done using something else. Oh, okay. So just the normal border as well, but just yeah, totally understanding. Okay, so back to you. I think there is an animation listing. Yeah, hold on. There is supposed to be an animation stuff, speed offset, speed up. Never used this before. Where is there's supposed to be one for um like certain textures, you know. Is that only done in GPU particles? That might be why. Like it's only done in GPU particles. Okay, so for now, let me just cancel this. Like that is only done in GPU particles. Okay, like let me just switch this. Let me show that. I think I could just click it and switch it to GPU. Yes, I can't. So for now, I'll just click. I think I still have a circle. Yeah, definitely not. There's supposed to be, yeah, I think this thing will work for now. Yes. Need to set the scale back to that. So, okay. So this is the bits. So this is blue. This is the time of the bits. Okay. I think I'll leave that as that. What am I looking at? Yeah, color. So there will be a huge variation. Like I've used this before. I don't think that's needed there. It's going to be white, but color ramp to make it, go erase out of existence when it's done. Make that transparent and yeah. Alright, so let me see, scale down the house now. Yeah, I don't want that. Okay. I think that will be all. Hey, what happens if I reduce the initial velocity like 0.5? Okay, so therefore I can set this thing back to 0.5 because I really want them to like take time, but reduce the initial velocity to 0.1. Yep. I'm gonna leave it like this. So I'm just going to reset it back to its original position, which is here. but build it up behind the player sprites, call it dash VFX, and so when you dash, yeah, also make it one shot. So when you dash, tell it to play, get no dash VFX dots F anything equals true. So let's see. Yeah, looks good. Let's see. I don't really hear you actually see the benefits. Okay. Well, the next question is, should I add a stamina bar or should I not? So you won't be able to like spam that dash, but nah, games like Sekiro, you can actually dash as much as you can. But adding it to actually add some kind of gameplay element, like do you dash when you're supposed to dash or do you wait like I don't know. Let me just leave this one now. One thing that's for sure is I need to add that ghost effect. So let me do that. Don't know why I need to use CPU particles. Let me log a sprites. Standard 16. Open. I think I've already opened this. There is this bug out here. Just need this. So M to select. Control C that. And I should be able to paste in there. Okay. How do that? So file export as PNG follow burger dash. Set here and save it. Okay, spotted. Why isn't it supported this? Yes, right. Oh man. Okay, found it. We'll move on to 2D and snap it here. Going to do the one shot for now. Drag in here. And I need to scale in exactly with this. Yeah, that's 1 to 1. So now the next question is freeze off to black, but should I scale it? Yeah, I don't think I'll scale it, I'll just leave it. And align it. And then why is it like, black doesn't just come go invisible like common white? And why does this go to black? This sounds interesting. And that's definitely black. Yeah, I think it's okay now. So make it only one shot, and also don't want it to be affected by light. Number of particles, I think I'll just go with like 5. Let me see how that looks like. Five is not good. 8. So 10. Well, let's see how it looks like this. Okay, not bad. Okay. There's something in this place I need to delete. Okay. Probably a timer. One for all. Collision. So what is causing that stuff? Okay, so What was that? Let's take a look. Okay. Next up, what else is on my list? Aim assist. How the hell do I even make aim assist for? Yeah, I made that one. I've done it dash ability. How do I make aim assist? How do you do an aim assist? The aim assist is so that you can create a system automatically adjust the player into the through a certain range. You want to start with two player. Okay. 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 But my aim assist, wouldn't that be some kind of like cheating? Like, I don't know. They say there's a way I can actually control. I basically just feel like the reason why somebody people recommended aim assist for me was because yes I did. I could actually hit most of enemies like there's something here that is blocking but it's not visible. Okay. So I don't know. Not that I am assist yet. Feel like it somehow takes the skill away from the gaming experience. So the skill build, I don't know. I'm not sure against like what was his name? 20 minutes ago I have something like aim assist. So one other issue I know there's this game is basically when enemies die, they eventually keep floating even after they are dead, and I think because of the visual visibility nebula. So I pretty much check their navigation scripts. Before that, there is this main issue I need to actually like work on. Whoa, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell was that? Why is everything go white? Okay, so back to basically the gun. Where are the weapons? So they're supposed to have a way to like yeah, this is it. So this is moving based on velocity. Velocity dots y checks score. I'm not even sure I'm using this thing anywhere. Yeah, I'm not using this anywhere. anything. Oh, let me just quickly check my entire code and see if there is anybody that is actually using this about. Okay, check code. Why did I even call it check code? Yeah, how does it do the rotation thing? Because it actually works. Okay. Well, especially this one actually does it. Do not go does it. But for the player does it, don't do it then. How is it working? Like, what I like to do is basically this weapon rotation thing. Okay, actually it is working. So maybe this weapon rotation thing so I want to fix. So when you point left, the gun should actually still, be the way the gun is supposed to be instead of that. This is okay, but here is the issue. So really this is simple. I think you can just say, like for controller stuff, I can just say if you're like press look left, you should flick the sprite basically. So that should be something general. I'll call this check sprites. So stuff check sprites. What do you call that thing? So the sprites. Check sprite click. Check sprite click. So I'll get rid of that. And I will say if you need an action press, wait, isn't there? It's not yet. But wait, come here, weapons, and then this is where I'm supposed to do that. But before that, we already have something here that actually basically does that. So let me see. Player touch, look left, get action strings, and the just if the rotation length greater than 0.3 is we do the rotation thing. If aim direction is 0, I think I can use aim direction and basically do that. The aim direction, I use it for camera panning, since I'm making the camera look left and right, so I can still use this aim direction stuff to influence the sprite sheets. So let me just try and see if this works. So let me see. Flip sprites. Okay, so if in direction does x is lower or equal to z, lower than 0, guys, if you point left and I want to get nodes right, let me get this to getting sprites. I need to use assignment, but I can't still can't go for Windows 4. Like there are some things that I really appreciate in that. That flip sprites dot flip right equals true. else spread of degree equals false. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it was, but once I let go, it basically does the same thing. But it works. But when I let go, it basically does that again. So I don't have, I won't use else. Using else is everywhere, so I'll use elif for this. I use the matches mostly. Elif in direction that x is greater than 0. Let's see. Still does the same thing then. Okay, it works. Okay. I actually struggle to do this, but currently just fixed it. So you can see the gun is always facing there. So that is basically fixed. Wow. Honestly, the original guy that was having this issue was and then let's transform. And see. Oh. Yep. Fixed. Situation is not aligned. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to end this stream here, and yeah, that's it. Hopefully you learned anything by watching and stuff. So I'll continue streaming again, and this is what I'm going to do because I don't have time to do developments. Right. I tried editing one, but like for this video, but for this game, but I prefer to just use all that time to make games than make deadlocks. So see you in the next video or live stream. Peace out.